Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa for tacos. First, let's talk about the foundation, fresh ingredients. You'll want ripe, flavorful tomatoes, a crisp onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget your chili peppers. Whether you prefer a mild jalapeño or a fiery habanero, the choice is yours. Having a good blender or a traditional molcajete will make the process much smoother, ensuring a perfect texture every time. Now, let's elevate those flavors through roasting. Place your tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers on a baking sheet and roast them until they are slightly charred and softened. This step is crucial as it brings out a wonderful sweetness and a smoky depth that raw ingredients simply can't achieve. For a milder salsa, remember to remove the seeds and veins from your chili peppers after roasting. This simple technique makes a huge difference in the final taste. Once your roasted vegetables have cooled slightly, it's time to bring everything together. Transfer them to your blender or molcajete. Add a couple of cloves of fresh garlic and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Blend until you reach your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others prefer it silky smooth. Finally, season with salt to taste. Start with about 1/2 teaspoon and adjust as needed, ensuring every spoonful is perfectly balanced. Your homemade salsa is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite warm tacos, or use it as a versatile condiment for other dishes. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for about 5 days. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding fruits like ripe mango or pineapple for a sweet and spicy variation. The possibilities are endless for customizing your perfect salsa.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.